How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi connection failed issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Wi-Fi connection failed issue on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, there you'll find Wi-Fi. Head over to Wi-Fi, and now what you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure that the Wi-Fi you're trying to connect is a good and stable internet connection. You can move closer to your router and just move closer to the router and then simply try to connect again. After you try to connect again, because of the strong connection or strong since you're closer to the router, you should be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. If not, what you can do is you can simply tap on this eye icon, forget the network, tap on forget this network, and then reconnect again. If that does not fix your issue, there can be issue in your mobile device itself. In that case, what you do is come back to your settings, scroll down till you find general. After you're on general, scroll down. After you scroll down, there you'll find an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset. Now there you'll find an option called reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings and reset all of your settings. Then your device should restart. If it does not restart your device yourself, and then your problem should get fixed and you should be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.